How to check time spent watching YouTube videos. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to know how long you watch videos on YouTube every day? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's learn how to check time spent on YouTube. Open YouTube on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the circle with your profile picture at the bottom. Scroll down to the end. Then select the time watched feature. From here, you can keep track of the time spent watching videos on YouTube. At first, you will see the daily average time you are spending on YouTube. Below that, you will see the data for a week, specifically 7 days including today. To see the amount of time spent on respective days, you will need to read the bar graph. On the x-axis, there are days, whereas the y-axis shows the amount of time spent in hours. As you can see, I have spent 7 hours 44 minutes today, whereas 50 hours 27 minutes in the last 7 days. Similarly, you can view your own statistics. If you notice that you have spent an excessive amount of time, then you can even manage your time spent on YouTube with the options shown below. You can either set a break reminder or a bedtime reminder to help control your video watching habits. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to see time spent while watching YouTube videos. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.